Hi everyone, it's here from DH Garden Center in beautiful Kisinalo. You just bought home a gorgeous new houseplant. You are excited and you are thinking, should I repot it? Should I change the soil? Should I move it to something prettier? I get it. We all want to give our plants the best start. But here is the truth. Repotting too soon can do more harm than good. In today's video, we are going to talk about when you should not repot right away and why leaving your plant in its original pot is often the best choice, and how to help your plants adjust to its new home without stress. Let's get into it. Let's start with a simple truth. Most plants do not need to repot the moment you bring them home. I know that's not what you hear on Instagram, but in most cases, your new plant is totally fine staying in its nursery pot for a while. Here is why. It's a reply to the question, why not repot right away? Here is why. So, why not repot right away? Let's look at a few good reasons. Number one, your plant is already stressed. It's been in transit, in a new store, maybe a new climate, and now in your home. That's a lot of changes in a short time. Repotting right now, that's at look disturbance, new soils, new pot. It's like moving to a new country and then someone change your shoes and furniture on day one. Number two, nursery pots are designed for growing. Don't be pulled by basic they look. They are breathable, lightweight, and have a proper drainage. I always tell my customer, you don't have to change something just because it's not pretty. And number three is you can double coat. Just place the nursery pot inside a pretty decorative pot. Like you can do like this. Yeah, just put inside and still look very beautiful, very pretty. And you don't need to repot it. Yes. And number four, most new plants don't need more space. Unless roots are bursting out of the drainage holes or dropping in circles, your plant's root system is usually just fine where it is, at least for a few more weeks. How long should you wait? I usually recommend 2 to 4 weeks. Let your plants adjust to your light, humidity, and routine. Observe how it grows. If it's happy, keep it there. If it starts struggling or outgrowing its pot, then we can talk about repotting. Trust me, plant needs stability more than anything. A calm start is better than a dramatic makeover. Alright, now we will talk about when not to repot. But what if your plant actually needs a new pot? Let's go over a few clear signs that it's time to give your plant a fresh start. So, when you should repot. Number one, roots are growing out of the bottom. Turn your nursery pot over and check the drainage holes. Yeah. You can check here. If you see thick roots poking through, that's a sure sign your plant has outgrown its home. And number two, water runs straight through. You water and the soil doesn't hold any moisture. It just flows out the bottom right away. That usually means the soil is too compacted or hydrophobic. Time for fresh mix. Number 3, just circling or pot bound. Gently remove the plants from each pot. If the roots are dropping tiny in circle around the base or sides, it's root bound. The plants have no room to expand, and it can become stunned. Number 4, the plant is unstable or top-heavy. Some plants grow tall, but if the root ball is still small, they become wobbly and tip over easily. Thus, another side is time to move on one pot size. And number 5, you suspect pests, mold, and poor drainage. If the soil smells bad, you see fungus knots, or it stays soggy for days, repotting gives you a clean start with fresh, healthy soil. So, if the soil is came with just isn't right, for example, you bought a cactus or succulent, but the soil feels too dense and moist, in that case, it's okay to repot into a better draining mix, like our succulent plant here. It's mixed with sand, cocoa, soil, pig mold, perlite. If you decide to repot, go slowly and gentle. You can choose a pot just 1 to 2 inches wider than the current pot. Avoid jumping to a huge pot because it can cause overwatering and root rot. And after you repot, give your plant a few days of quiet recover. Keep it out of direct sun. Don't fertilize yet, and water just lightly. So yes, sometimes your plant really needs a new pot, but knowing when to wait and when to act is what makes you a smarter plant parent. In the next video, I will help you to pick up the right pot, not just one that looks pretty, but one that actually helps your plant thrive. So, see you in the next video.
In Vietnam's hands, the earth takes shape. From village flames to a peaceful place. Each part a story, rich and deep. 1,000 years in curves we keep. More than clay, it's heritage, a living work on every edge. From battering soul to BC's light, DH Garden Center shines so bright, where every part is made with care, a piece of art beyond compare. Let beauty grow where culture lives. Let every plant a story give. Oh, and soul to BC's light. DH Garden Center shines so bright, where every part is made with care, a piece of art.